And so it is. Now we'll bring our arms out, palms facing up, fingers together, thumbs connected, and we'll continue with breath of fire. Feel very expansive as you have your arms out like this. You can turn sideways if you need to, Sam. Beautiful. Feel the energy streaming palm to palm, through the chest, through the heart, through the shoulders, through the throat. Bridging yourself between heaven and earth. Feel the energy below the arms, gray in color for earth, above, blue for the sky and the heavens. See the brilliant white golden light emanating from the heart. Feel expansive and free. Open to endless possibilities. Keep the eyes to the third eye point. Shoulders relaxed, heart open. Almost there. Keep up. Big inhale. Hold, stretch, open, expand. Hold the posture. Exhale all the breath out. Feel that you're expanding all around you. And inhale and relax.